What is going on, everybody in the trader community and YouTube? This is Trader Josh, and I'm here today to talk about ticker symbol PBTS, as you can see right here. Power Bridge Technologies Co. LTD, not LLC. Okay, and I just want to show you guys a few things. The first thing I will show you, this bottom, I feel that that's not the first thing I want to show you, but I just want to say that since I'm looking at it. I feel that the bottom of this stock is going to be around 10 cents. So if I was looking to buy, I would want to buy in at 10 cents. I'm not going to lie to you. And I might buy 1,000 shares right now just to, why not, right now in this video, but this going to have to be the last video, okay, that I buy a stock on, because yes, I might be big money gooch, but I'm also, we were all neighbors then. Hey, that's crazy. Small world, man. We're all from Texas. We all live in the Dallas area, the DF dub, the DF dub. Okay? And let's just look at this RSI EMA 13 line, okay? We are neck and neck kissing right now, okay? And you see this far apart right here, but it's finding its way up. So you know what I'm going to do right now to start off this video? Why not? Why not? This is the third video today where I have bought into a stock. If you feel like checking them out, PBTS. Okay, so if you feel like checking them out, feel free to do so. All right, but come on. Nobody want to set up direct deposit. Boom, from bam, 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 boom. Okay, I'm done with that for today, okay? And let's just see where it goes, okay? Let's just keep an eye out. So let's go to PBTS, Power Bridge Technologies. 11 cents. Okay. I could buy 1,000 shares. What's going on, man? I'm trying to buy 1,000 shares, but it won't let me. So I'm going to just do 950. Okay. And it won't let me. Not because it's a problem with the money. Okay. Don't ever think that. I could put a couple more in there, but you know what I'm saying. But okay. So guys, any minute now, it's going to pop and say I made 50 cents and I'm going to sell short. Then I'm going to buy in when it drops 50 cents and I'm going to just keep making 50 cents. All right, now, but boom, for those of you out there with wonders, okay? Boom. All right, so let's get into it, okay? I circled this, which I'm going to delete now that I showed you guys, because I wanted to really talk about that and point that out. But I want to let you guys know, and honestly, at 17 cents, I'd be selling. I ain't gonna lie to you. No, I'm not gonna sell, but I only put $100 in, okay? And $100, okay, you know how I feel about that, okay? But let's read, all right? And first, I want to go and read the while back. August 1st, PowerBridge, a provider, announced that it has regained compliance with the minimum bid price requirement under the NASDAQ, okay? Let's just say that, under the NASDAQ requirements. And the company received a written letter from NASDAQ Listing Qualifications Department stating that the closing bid price of the company's common shares has been $1 per share. Okay, and for you, for you guys out there that are wondering why I'm way back here, July 29th, is to let you know right now we are under the minimum requirements of $1, okay? So that was 2 times in 1 year. But in the past here, they regained compliance with no need for a reverse split. And I do not know how long PBTS has been listed. Let me go ahead and check that out for you guys. I should have did that a long time ago. But PBTS was listed on the market on Robinhood at least April 2nd, 2019. So about 4 years they have been listed, and they have never had a reverse split. And you guys know when I called that Party City 300% payouts, I put $300 in it. That 300 later sold for 1,200. Okay, I told you guys 300% payouts. And the thing that I was liking the most about that one was we currently have no split history on this stock. Luckily, I got out before they filed bankrupt. Okay, luckily. Okay, and that's why I was asking about bankrupt. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you right now we have November 11th, PowerBridge, a provider and multi-technology solutions, announced that it has received a notification letter from the NASDAQ market dated November 7th. So that's bullcorn right there. Requires listed securities to maintain a minimum bid price of $1 per share for a consecutive 30 business days. Okay, and they have up until May 8th, 2023, like it says. It didn't show you that because it's way up there. Look, we're at 12 cents right now, and May 8th, $1 would be way up here. So it's not going to show you like in my other videos where they're sitting close to $1 and it says the NASDAQ, where it says the minimum bid price that NASDAQ wants them to be at with the date. You get what I'm saying. I don't want to spend too much time on that. Okay. But so they have up until May 8th. Okay. And in the event that the company does not regain compliance by May 8th, the company may be eligible for additional time to regain compliance. Okay. And as we know, additional time would be most likely 180 days. Okay. And that's very good. Okay. Because that's why I just put money in on it right now, because they got a while. They still got a while. And even if they hit 40 cents, I might sell. I'm not going to lie to you. I might sell at 40 cents. I might sell at 50 cents. Okay. I bought at 10 cents down there. Why would I hold for $1? Like, as in the coming days, when I look more at it, I might hold for $1. But for those of you who know me very well, and a couple of you in the Discord do know me very well, some of us know each other in person. Okay, some of you, one of you are my dad. All right, but for those of you that do know me well, I take profits when I see profits. When I like the profits, I will say when I like the profits. So I put $100 in. I'll take profits most likely when I see 600 to 1,000, and that's about 60 cents to $1. Yeah, or no, $1. I'll make 9.50 on it. Okay, so 600 to 1,000, like like I said, and I'm not gonna flip. And I put $100 in it. I may put more money in later, like after I see the charts move a little more. But right now, I'm gonna just leave it at 100, okay? And because I've already put $600 today in stocks, all right? So bear with me now. And I ain't just make that face because that's a lot of money now. Okay, come on now. 600 is like what, 3 gumballs here in Texas? Come on now, y'all know this. Or what, a DiGiorno pizza? Get the fuck out of here, man. Well, I want no DiGiorno pizza. I like Red Baron anyway. All right, but I just want you guys to know, keep in mind, okay? And Dro and Tony, or Tony, I don't know if you were in on this one, but Dro, for you, I know you most likely all that stuff that I just said, but I want you to keep in mind that we will be testing resistance, okay? And from what I've heard from you, I know you most likely you're probably all caught up on the research, but I just want to show you at 1350 here. Is that right? 1350 here. We will test resistance as we did here. Probably shoot under, but as you see here, I didn't even notice that earlier. I put that right there and didn't even notice. As you see here, this was acting as support. Okay, so from 1350, if we do have resistance at around 1350, we will test the support at 1230. We will test the support. And I didn't see this either earlier. Or yes, I did. Yes, I did. Okay. And I don't know really what else to say about it. Just keep in mind, there's also another one up here somewhere. Nothing. All right, but as you see, another one last thing I will point out is keep in mind we are, what are the markets? It's after hours right now, but it can still move. Okay, so let's just say if we end off at about 11:35 or to 11:38 right here, the linear regression most likely tomorrow in the morning will turn into a sideways linear regression. If we have a little bit of volatility in this, it will turn into an upward linear regression. And you know how I love them upward linear regressions, okay? And then I could show you guys, like, look, if this was upwards, let's just imagine it's backwards, okay? Right here would be today, and I could show you there's a possibility of ending today off up here at 14 cents, from 11 cents to 14 cents, okay? Like right here, we started the day off in the bottom, and we're ending the day off toward the top, okay? So that means we've moved sideways on it. If we can move sideways a little more tomorrow, if it's either a sideways linear regression or an upward linear regression, if we can move sideways on it, that would be perfect, because you got to understand, if this was an upward linear regression, let me show you right here. If this was upward linear regression, right? Boom, boom, is how it would look. Well, moving sideways on it does not mean moving that way sideways. Moving sideways on it would mean we would be moving sideways upwards. Okay, so you see where I started at right here? 20 cents, let's say that's 11 cents. Well, sideways on it could end up being from 11 cents to 15 cents by the end of the day. And I'm not saying that's all it could do. We still could push much higher. Okay, we still very well could push much higher at any time now. Okay, as you see, let me go on the day chart. On our day chart, down, that's a steep down. Okay, steep down. Okay, but as you see, let's see what this was. October, this is September. Okay, so ever since September, October, no, wait, all right, don't make fun of me. Okay, I always get them confused. Okay, September is before October. Okay, August is before September. Okay, September, October, November, December, January, February. So for 5 months now, we have been moving down. And if you ask me, I say we're due for a pop with the range anywhere between 33 cents and I'll say 67 cents. Okay? And don't don't think I'm saying that it's going to happen today or tomorrow. But look, since we have came down the linear regression, the EMA 13 level has been going down under the red. And remember what I pointed out in the beginning of this? And just know, I know what I'm talking about, but I'm saying red and green for those of you who don't know what I mean when I say EMA 13 and EMA 34. Okay, so as you just saw on the day chart, how far down the EMA 13, the green line right here, has been under the red line. Well, as you saw right there, look where we're at now. We are touching. And last time we touched, we went from 1167 all the way up to the resistance at 14 cents, or at 13.50. Okay, we tested resistance and we broke above it. Okay, last time we touched, we went from 1167 up to 17 cents. Okay, keep that in mind now. Keep that in mind. And they are touching. They have not popped over like this, but look, let's see how long they were touching here. 26 to the 27th. So all day on Thursday they were touching. Let's see what here. Okay, so Thursday started here and they moved. All day on Thursday they were touching, and then Friday opened going up, and Monday started here. Okay, so Monday started going up. Well, I'm not saying any crazy things here now, but I do want you guys to keep in mind, now that we are touching, And just like last Thursday, which is this Thursday, we're seeing the same thing. It is very possible that tomorrow we could see this EMA 13, the green line, pop above the EMA 34 red line. And it's possible we could shoot to the next resistance level at 1230. Okay. I don't want to go too deep into it, but it is looking good. Okay. We started off Wednesday. Right here and just kept coming down up until Thursday started here. So Thursday started here, Wednesday started. Okay, that's what these lines indicate. Okay, I'm crazy. I just now realized that. Okay, so this is Thursday right here. Friday will start in between this line. I cannot believe I just act like I don't know shit. All right, but look, so you see we started off Thursday going upwards, okay? And we've been moving sideways just like so back here on Thursday. We were going down, 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 and the flames went higher right about here. And then we went down, down, down until till the EMA line went higher. You know what I'm saying? You get it? All right. But check it out, Hey, I wish I could figure out. I think it was Mark. Mark, you know what I'm saying, Mark? You know what I mean, dog? It's Mark knows what I mean. All right, but I don't want to keep this video too long. I don't know how long I've been recording so far, but you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you think I might have missed something in this video. And until then, I will see you guys when I see you guys in the next one. Okay, hit that subscribe button because I love you all. Link to the Discord will be in the bio. Join the Discord to get updates on whenever we are getting into positions with any ticker symbol, which this one will be in the Discord in a minute here. And also we give the amount within the days that we are willing to let go of the shares. Okay, with this one, I would say within a month, I'm going to be looking to sell off all my shares, January, February, March. So March 1st, I'll say. Today's the 2nd, but I'm going to say March 1st, I will be looking to close out of this position. And with that being said, guys, I got nothing else for you. Like I said, let me know what you think. Hit that subscribe button and join the Discord community. Okay? I love you all. I'll see you in the next one.